everyone! Welcome again to Queen Nini Put channel. So tonight guys, we will have another segment here, cooking show with me. So this is what we need. This is what I bought earlier that cost 50 pesos only. We called it here kalubay. This is the vegetable that easily grow here. And also I have here they put in very tight plastic. I have here a watermelon. 40 pesos guys. Good stuff. And then sardines. This is what we are going to put to our dish tonight. I'm just inventing dish guys. There's no title. And we have mungo beans. So this is what we need. Mungo beans, sardines, and a kalubay. So first step, we will cook the mungo beans first, so that it's not hard guys. We will use all of this. This is only 10 pesos. It's very healthy guys, and it's not very expensive food. We will rinse first so that we can separate the good ones from bad. So we need to put a lot of water because it takes 30 minutes before this will soften guys, the mungo. Then let's cover it. So guys, we will start lighting our fire. Christian helping me to fire our kitchen. He is using bamboo first because bamboo is easy to burn. Nini Put kitchen. It's Nini Put kitchen. Agkadasig atong mga aton na kami karon mo. It's very guys, fast when you cook using The smell is really good when you cook using wood guys compared to gas. We're using only oven if we are baking cookies, brownies, something like that, pizza. But when we're cooking our food, we use this. And also to save gas, because we have a lot of wood still here. Even in the mountain, it's very easy only guys. We don't need to buy wood here. So that is mungo beans. Since we are here in Philippines guys, Filipino used to eat rice more than 3 times a day. Morning, lunch, and for dinner. So let's have rice tonight guys. Our dinner is not complete without rice. So I have a cup of rice here. Then let's wash. I used to wash our rice 3 times because sometimes guys there's a peel still of rice that we need to remove because that's not good for our intestine. Because our intestine is different than pig. We're giving the pill for pig, guys. But human intestine is different. It's a little bit sensitive, so we need to be careful that nothing left the pill. We are only 4 here left because my mother is in the mountain and we have rice left from lunch, so I cook only small amount of rice that enough for 4 people. Kuya Christian, my sister, James, and I. And Kuya Christian prepared already fire for me. Wow. Wait, I'll make sure that it's balanced. Then that is our munggo. What's the English of that one? Kalubay.
Kalubay. Maybe.
Kalobs.
Yeah.
Kalobs.
Yeah. Maybe.
Like a cucumber, no? But it's much bigger. We have like that in the mountain before, guys, but it's much bigger.
Kalubar.
It's very long and very big, like that picture right there. My father used to grow that on our backyard. But that is young. They pick it young. So no,
This is
very healthy. That is very healthy. So let's cut first in the middle. We will slice it 4 slices. Is that old? We will remove also this one. Yeah, we need to remove it. Because you can see the line here. This is the edible part and this one is not good. Like a papaya.
Yeah.
Makata na dahil may line. There's a line. Kiwa ano? Like a papaya. We forgot already because we have that long time ago already. Ito, no?
Yeah.
We're not eating that every day. Because this here is may kumasapura yung daton. May kupong. Like a pong, guys. Oh.
Dapat yung kutsara.
Not good. Here. Spoon.
Spoon.
Spoon. Sakto ginaman. Kiwan na ito. Ay, harang hamak na. Wow, that's very soft. Diyan sa ikasa yung mga Facebook. Ay, nipis. May kakapaya.
Hello guys, I have this one. Senior Santo Niño di Calibo. Viva Senior Santo Niño, viva! Dapat nga rin pagbakati. Dapat ko yun. Pagbakati ako. Sa ako ko.
Ay, kabilang ko. check our rice. Oh, there's no water left. Yeah, there is water but small amount of water only. Let's check our munggo. So let's prepare after we wash the kalubay, guys. We'll prepare our garlic and onion. And we have the onion here. And I'll peel it.
Okay na tayo na.
So let's check for the third time, guys. As you can see, there's no water left. Let's remove now from fire and let's start cooking. So let's open out our sardines. I like spicy flavor, guys. The spicy flavor is really tasty. And this is the looks of sardines here in Philippines. And we have salt and pepper. That is the ingredients we need. We will saute first and then put the mungo beans and the sardines and also our kalubay. So let's go. So let's start now, guys. Oh, it's hot. I put the camera so close to the fire. Patis, you want also? You want to eat also? You wanna eat also? That's our puppy, guys. Roxy's baby. He is always joining my cooking show. Oh, she's off. We need our sardines. Wow. Oh. Stop. The fire goes inside of my pan. I put 2 sardines. And let's mix it. And then, after that guys, we need to put our salt and pepper. Then mix. Then, of course guys, we will put our munggo. Our munggo beans. Yeah, look like that when we mix it. So we're done already putting munggo beans and sardines. So now guys, let's put a water. I ran guys because maybe I burn the food. I don't like to burn it. Let's add more water guys. Like that. Because you know the munggo will drain our food. Munggo easily dry. Yeah, look like this. We will make it very thick. This is how we make it perfect. So let's wait for a couple of minutes guys so that our water and our ingredients combine. So our munggo beans and our sardines already good guys. Now let's put our kalubay. And then let's cover it after. As you can see guys, our soup is a little bit thick now. Yeah, we'll wait like 15 minutes so that our vegetable is cooked. Look at that guys. They look so tasty. For sure James will like it guys. James used to eat vegetable always. He complained if there's no vegetable. That's why I keep, if we don't have in the mountain, I just buy it guys. It's cheap also. And I have a watermelon there. I'm gonna show you the looks of the watermelon that we bought earlier to the seller beside of the road. Our suki, that is the place where we always buy our mangoes. So it's a little bit hard pa guys. I'll just let it soft. It's so tasty. It's spicy also guys. Wow. So good. I'm excited to give that to James because we're not eating this kind of vegetable every day. So it's cooked now, guys. Let's get now from fire and let's eat our dinner tonight. Wow, the smell is so good. We will put in our rice. So this is what we bought, guys. Let's open. What color? Oh, some watermelon is color yellow. So let's try this one and let's test if it's sweet. Wow, yeah. It's color red. It's color red, guys. The smell is so good. So this is for tomorrow and this is for tonight. Let's put here, guys. Dessert, guys. Watermelon. Look at this. It looks like so sweet. This one is for tomorrow. I'll put inside of our ref. vegetable that I just finished cooking. Wow. So, I will taste test first the watermelon. Taste test. If it's sweet. It's sweet. Even it's small, guys, it's sweet. We stopped earlier beside of the road. That girl selling the fruits. She have no mango. That's why we just bought the watermelon instead. Because James easily gets sick if he have no fruit from vegetable every day. And then James is taking magnesium too. I'll give him again later. He's not feeling well today because maybe we walk so long and he is stressed because of the bike. But the mechanic in Honda fixed it already, guys, but it's not 100% perfect, he said. We will just bring it tomorrow again, the motorcycle. Because he said that the oil is very dirty. Like there's someone put a mud inside, like a sabotage. But we're not 100% sure of that. That's what he said only. I like watermelon, guys. I'll plant the seed if it will grow. It's so good, guys. It's so tasty. James just woke up, guys. I am shaking his body so that he can taste the food. Because if it's not hot, it's not very tasty. So what's the taste, James?
It's good.
Rate 1 to 10.
8. I don't like fish as much.
Oh,
But it's good anyway.
the sardines. That's the sardines. That's not very smells fishy. And you have also here a watermelon. That's so sweet.
No, it's not mango.
No mangoes. Not seasoned. So good. Spicy, no?